back to the misery shack. It's day 3 on our BMW E36 build, and I feel like I've turned 90 overnight. So much angle grinding, so much rust removal, so much getting covered in tat. But the plate's welded on, it's nearly ready to be undersealed. Still loads to do. Got a whole list here. This was all meant to be done by Wednesday. We got underseal, brake lines, press bearings, front end, exhaust, hydro, engine running, CV boot, shaft, and raise the front end. I'm tired and decrepit, but I'd rather be in here than out there in the rain.
Or at the old unit.
Or at the old unit, yeah. God. Oh yes. Should I use my goggles?
I'm just right in the future what this car's going to be, man.
That is a godsend from the man that resembles a tree. Thanks, Andrew.
Alright, we're still here. The list is depleting in size slowly. As you can see, there's loads of lovely red boxes here, which have been supplied to us by Febi. We've always used Febi parts in our cars, matching OE quality, so they're really good stuff, to be honest, and they're not super expensive.
Do have some wheel bearings here. Our next step is to press these in.
Can't wait to destroy these lovely, shiny things.
Yeah, they're not going to look like this for long. But.
Just had to faff around, taking these flanges off some 46 arms. That's basically how this whole build's gone. Let's do some pressing, I guess, Sim.
Cool. Go on. Oh.
Boom.
We're lost in the carriers. What does this mean? So for some reason, we've got a wrong part.
That was revolting. How happy you are with yourself.
Discs were too big. We bought the wrong ones with Muppets, and we luckily found some right ones.
This whole video is just dedicated to cleaning discs.
Moment of truth. Oh, pads required. The hangers don't fit, so we got to make some little custom washers to put on the brackets to make them fit. So today we're just installing a fresh pair of twin calipers.
Obviously, the shafts are seized in. Why is this designed like this?
So we're going to try and cut this hub to smithereens.
I hate cars. 3 hours and 3 cutting discs later, I'm victorious. We couldn't get the car started. You saw us bump it in here.
After doing all this work,
We're under here and we think it might be a fuel problem.
we're going to see if there's fuel coming from the line before the... My head on the thing.
Stop! So the fuel pump was working, it sprayed fuel all over the floor. I had some fuel for dinner, it was delicious. If we're getting fuel, our next thought is to take out all the sparks, clean them up and see if that helps at all. That one felt loose. It is rat poo right here. So they're pretty black. I believe from memory, black is overfueling. I may be incorrect, probably incorrect.
That smells real bad.
Oh, baby!
I don't like the fact that it has no exhaust.
Sounds like a Harley Davidson.
This 3-day ordeal is quickly turning into a 5-day ordeal, and it's not even. There's still loads of things on list. Like we've not even done the hydro.
I'm happy though. It runs ish.
I guess so.
Stupidly hard work. We still got the exhaust, the hydro and the front end build. Keep following our build and our progression. Subscribe to the channel, show us some love. Check out the website, weaselworks.com. Got plenty more to come. Peace.
That's all, folks.